Hello, welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by C.W. Wheeler in 1876. You can see that white's got a queen, a rook, knight and a bishop all ready to attack the king. It's white's turn and you can get a checkmate in 2 moves. If you move the queen to a3, the bishop can move to a6 to protect the d3 square. The queen can then take the bishop, and if black tries to push the pawn, you can move in to checkmate, but only in 3. If you move the queen to a2, the bishop can move to c6 to protect the d5 square. The queen can then move to c2. The pawn push followed by the queen take is again a checkmate in 3, but not 2. If you try to check the king by moving the bishop to d5, the king can just take, and then there are no follow-ups to get a checkmate in 2 this way. And obviously, if you try to check the king with the knight move to d6, although the king can't move, you can just take the knight with the bishop. The solution to this one's a bit surprising. You actually need to move your queen to a7. The bishop takes the queen, you can move the knight to d6 to checkmate the king in 2. If black tries to push the d-pawn, you can move the queen to a4 to checkmate the king in 2. And if black tries to push the f-pawn, you can move the rook to h4 to checkmate the king in 2. And if black tries to move the knight to f6, you can just take it with the white knight to checkmate the king. That's the end of this video. See you again soon.